Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Congrats are in order. Yet another member of the Daily Rage community has passed their Apex evaluation, become a funded trader. So Petros, huge congrats to you. I know you worked super hard on that account, and I'm just absolutely stoked for you. That's freaking awesome. So speaking of Apex, I wanted to talk a little bit about trading multiple accounts. As you can see here, these are a variety of accounts today. And this is the one, the top one that I use is what I call my quote unquote educational account, like the one account that I show with my students that I'm trading live with them in my intensive. And that one didn't go so well today. $400 is way more than I would have liked to lose in that one. And let's just be clear, we're all human. Nobody is perfect. And sometimes, even when you have rules and regulations to attempt to keep yourself safe, there are some days when that just goes out the window, especially days when I don't even take my own advice because I had been telling everyone, oh, today's options expiration day, Jerome Powell speaking today, it's Friday, maybe you shouldn't trade or maybe just trade micros. I did not do that. I should have done that. But that was that account. Big loss. Then this account is not active right now. I'm waiting for a renewal on that one. This one, I lost so much that at some point I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to throw a Hail Mary and see what happens. If that somehow salvages that account, amazing. And if not, okay, it'll renew next month. No problem. We're talking about $36, not really $1,794. So there's that. That one is totally dead. This one, did all right on that one, $391. This one, $131 loss. That to me is a reasonable amount to lose in any given day. $117, same thing. And then these three were a little bit better, $525, $275, and $976. So I do have a trade copier. I wasn't using that today to trade all of these. And thank goodness, because if I would have been basing it on this as the leader account, and that would have brought them all down. So that's not very cool. And the thing that I want to mention about trading multiple accounts is that while, yes, you can spread out your reward, more importantly, you can spread out your risk. What I was able to do today is stop trading this one and thereby save it. In other words, not blow the whole thing up. I can come back next week and, try it again, see what happens. But that account is still active. If I would have kept trading that because maybe that was the only account I had, that would have ended like this one. It would have been completely blown up, I am certain, because in this jaggedy mess of options expiration day, that probably would not have gone very well. The other thing is you might say, well, if you were able to make, 500 or 200 or 900 on some of these, couldn't you just have brought it back from here, from being down about 400? Because this I was trading earlier than these. And the answer is maybe I could have, but maybe I would have just dug a deeper hole. So I only know that now that I was able to profit on these. I didn't know that at that time. So in order to keep it a little bit safe, again, and probably thank goodness for all the people in my intensive. Thank you, everybody who's in the intensive, because likely if it hadn't been for you guys and me attempting to make some semblance of being a good example, which clearly didn't happen very well today, but I probably would have just blown up that one as well. It's like when there's a little bit of accountability that actually can help. So yes, I had a big loss. Yes, it was bigger than I would have liked. Yes, this one totally got blown up, but okay, we'll move forward. But the key is that I didn't blow this whole thing up and I was able to still continue to trade and make some decent profit on some of the other accounts. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit because I do get a lot of questions about trading multiple accounts. You likely know that Apex accounts are on sale all the way through the end of this month at 80% off. So it is a great time to jump into the evaluation, see if you can prove yourself as a consistent trader or even grab a few additional accounts. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.